Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Welcome to Saturday Morning Makes episode 10 with Jill Norwood. If you're interested in joining in, all you have to do is do a hashtag #SatMornMakes and jump on in. You can do items you make throughout the week, or you can do whatever you make on Saturday, or however you want to do it. Just join in, have fun. So I do whatever I make through the week, and that's what I do. So this week we celebrated, my husband and I, our 14th wedding anniversary. Very proud of that, and I'll show you the card I made for him. So let me start off with what I used. I used this My Favorite Things Dots and Stripes confection paper by MFT. Stop it. Sorry, the cats are fighting. And then I used this MFT You and Me Together, and I used the sentiment, imagine you and me together always. And then I used some sequins, but I didn't bring those in. And this is what I came up with. Oh, I also used my infinity dies. My infinity rectangle dies that I like to use. So yeah, this is what I made. Okay. Then next, hold on one sec. Sorry about that. Then next I used my infinity dies rectangles again. And I used this My Favorite Things House Cats. So cute. I used this cat and plant purchase. I used the My Favorite Things window dressings. I used a sentiment from the Cool Cat. I used the Thank Mew. And then I used the paper pad wallpaper patterns. And this is what I came up with. Y'all know how much I love my cats. I also used tumbled glass and a mini cloud stencil by MFT to make the clouds in the background. If y'all can see that detail. I didn't get that out. And then on the inside, it just says thank you, because I needed some thank you cards. And I colored it up with my Copics. So there was that. And then next, I made a slimline card. And I used, oops, okay, dies are coming flying. I used this slimline die set from the Stamps of Life. I believe it's called Happy Birthday, but I'm not for sure. If you need to know, just ask me and I'll find it for you. But I used this large one that makes the card, and then I used the smaller rectangle to do the layer. And then you get a lot of accompanying dies that you can use. Let me put that back in there before I lose them. Then I used the Slimline Skinny strips. And I always use these and I make them smaller than what I need, and I showed y'all before how to do that. And then I used the Friends Like You sentiments, and I used the one, We Are Kindred Spirits Forever and Forever Friends. I love this stamp set. And I also love this one. I used the In Focus flower frames. These are just so gorgeous. I used some Distress Oxides. I used Wilted Violet, Milled Lavender, and Dusty Concord. I used some Distress Paint and it's Dusty Concord. And then I used Studio 71 acrylic paint in titanium white, and I used those for splatter. And then I did some heat embossing with the Wow Opaque Bright White regular. And this is the card I came up with, and I think it turned out gorgeous. And then on the inside I did a little inking around the edges and that milled lavender. And I hope who receives it loves it. Okay, and then next, I used the Wonky Stitch dies by MFT. I used this honeybee set called Honey Deer. I colored it up with my Copics, and I also used this glitter dust in gold. And this is what I came up with. I made it very whimsical. You know what? Let me show you the paper I used. I had put it up. Where did I put it? Oh, dang, guys. I'm not sure where I put it. Well, it's by the Craft Consortium, and it's the bees. And I have no idea where I sat it down, because I meant to show y'all it. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what I did with it. Well, it's the Craft Consortium, and that's what I used for the background right here with the hexagons. But I think she turned out with the bees so cute. And I don't know if y'all can see that shimmer from that glitter dust, but it's so cute. And then I just matted the inside. And it says, kind words are like honey, sweet for the soul. And the last card I made, I used this Love from Lizzie, I Dig You. Really cute. I used the coordinating dies. I used some Love from Lizzie, Really Dig You paper. I used the Oval Stack Set 2 from MFT. And I colored her up with Copics. And this is what I came up with. I think she turned out so darn cute. And then I just did a matte on the inside, and I have somebody I am sending this to. I hope she loves it. I hope y'all love it, and I hope you enjoyed everything I shared today. I love you guys, and I thank you for watching. Bye.